Hi, my name is Garrett with PoolfenceDIY.com, and we're going to go over a few different methods for determining the total footage required for a pool fence installation. You can do it a couple different ways. The easiest is with one of these walking wheels, although most people don't have them. So we also have a garden hose, which is a way to do it, a measuring tape, and then a long pull tape. So let's start with the one that would be most common, which is the garden hose. We know that the length of this garden hose is 100 foot long, so you're essentially just going to lay it down where you would like the fence to be and either add additional lengths of hose by shifting it or measuring the remainder and subtracting it from the total length. As I said, this is a 100-foot hose. Let's see where we're at. So we have our 100-foot hose laid out. The ends don't quite meet. So now we just have to measure from one end of the hose to the next, and we will have our basic measurement. It's 11.5 feet. So to complete this job and have the fence laying exactly where it is, we need roughly 112 feet. If you go on our website, you can use our calculator, enter in that footage length, and it'll determine how many sections you need and everything else. From there, the other way would literally be taking your tape measure and walking it around, adding up whatever length your tape measure is. Each time that you go, we have a 20-foot tape measure, and you can basically see how this would work. So I would add 17 and continue my way around the pool. (17 plus 15). 32. Plus 8, 40. Plus 19. So we're at 59. So that's 70, and you just keep on going until you finish it up. You can have another 15, 95, sevens, 102. Came out to 11 feet, so the garden hose trick was within 6 inches of physically measuring it. The walking wheel is the easiest, but this is just another item that'll cost you about 40 or 50 bucks, and you literally just walk it around the pool. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, so we're not going to do that, but we are going to go ahead and get right into this fence.